Welcome to W Machinery. This is our 1000 bph compact poultry processing line, fully installed and pre-tested in our factory before shipment. Live birds are manually hung on the overhead conveyor. This is the automatic poultry stunning machine. For halal processing, this unit can be removed, allowing manual halal slaughter by a certified operator. After stunning, birds are manually slaughtered and enter the automatic bleeding line. The conveyor runs continuously and steadily. Below, a blood collection tank ensures clean, hygienic operation and easy waste handling. Birds then move into the automatic poultry scalding machine. Made of 304 stainless steel, equipped with automatic water level control. Temperature regulation and steam heating. Electric heating is optional, ensuring efficient and uniform scalding performance for poultry processing. Temperature and processing time are precisely controlled for consistent feather loosening. The system is energy efficient, easy to clean, and designed for long-term stable performance. This is the automatic chicken plucking machine. High-quality rubber fingers ensure high plucking efficiency with minimal skin damage. It features an adjustable stainless steel frame and 72 defeathering discs, equipped with dual waterproof bearings and aluminum components for better corrosion resistance. Custom protective covers extend bearing life and reduce maintenance downtime. These details may increase initial costs slightly, but deliver years of smooth operation and reliability. The modular design allows easy maintenance and excellent adaptability to different bird sizes. The automatic chicken head puller removes heads efficiently and consistently, reducing manual labor while improving line speed and hygiene. Evisceration is performed manually at ergonomic stations. Offal is collected through the viscera tank system, discharged at the outlet, and easily transported using containers or trolleys. Rehanging the chicken carcass, and finally, birds enter the automatic chicken feet cutting machine. After cutting chicken feet, the carcass is ready for transfer to a spin chiller, either manually or via chute connection. W Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.